Our path that we tracked over to the river is completely destroyed by all this snow.
You got it, don't worry.
We just need to walk that way for a very long time.
So how does one start a fire? That's for us to figure out. The firewood is soaking wet.
What wood doesn't really light on fire? They need warm water when we come back, and we can't. How are we?
Anybody that knows what to do just left. Boys, we got a lot of figuring out to do.
1/3.
1/3 down.
So,
Where's our trail?
our trail's totally gone.
Oh, here it is.
I see it.
Yeah. This is the part where I got stuck yesterday. Oh.
Jimmy, you good?
I'm good. And I filled again today. Come on, boys. All right, let's get it. We're gonna catch fish today. Woo!
We're gonna use this dead tree that we found because it's dry on the inside. What are we trying to get, Shanley?
Some dry tinder. Come on. There we go.
Hey, so
We did it.
all right, let's get inside. Now that we got the dry wood, we're gonna try to shave it down so we can get stuff to start the fire. This is the only dry stuff we have.
There she is.
Oh, man, here we go.